Ladies and gentlemen, I once tried to build a treehouse in my backyard with a hammer, 2 nails, and too much confidence. But today, we're talking about something a bit more polished. A triple-axle, designer-level tiny house that's more bougie than my friend Greg's penthouse cat. Welcome to CampAvto, where I tell you what to buy, what not to trust, and occasionally, what almost burned my eyebrows off while camping. So let's talk about this stunner from True Form Tiny, the Urban Park Studio, a triple-axle masterpiece that measures just 18 feet, 5.5 meters in length, but flexes its interior like it's got something to prove. Totaling 248 square feet, 23 square meters, it may sound small, but this thing has more going on than my cousin Dave's dating history, and that's saying something. This isn't some weekend warrior build. This tiny beast comes RV ready, with a hookup setup smoother than my last pickup line. Clad in sleek black cedar with white accents, it's like if Parisian minimalism married a lumberjack. Inside, it's all white panels, dramatic black walls, and hardwood flourishes that scream, I own at least one pour-over coffee setup. Let's get real. The loft doesn't have standing height, but you'll forgive it once you lie back in all that natural light pouring in from multiple windows. True4 even included a built-in slide-out dining table. Yes, for 2, and a kitchen setup with a drawer fridge, electric cooktop, convection microwave, and an air fryer. I mean, I've lived in apartments with less than this. This beauty costs $139,800, around 128,000 euros. And while that could also buy you a boat or 3 used sedans, I think it's worth it. Why? Because you're not just buying a house, you're buying a lifestyle where your fireplace is electric, your couch is guest-ready, and your spice rack is in the hallway. The bathroom? Compact, yes, but you still get a one-piece walk-in shower, flushing toilet, and a vanity with storage. And everything's positioned with the kind of logic I wish IKEA would adopt. See you in the next video, and remember, the link's in the description.